Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a leave-in conditioner from As I Am. I'm going to be sharing with you the Itchy and Dry Scalp Care range, and this is the olive and tea tree oil leave-in conditioner from As I Am. I do have it in my hair at the moment, so let's get into this video. This leave-in conditioner from As I Am is for type 3 and type 4 hair, and one of the reasons it took me so long to try this range is because whenever I see it in the shops, it says Dry and Itchy Scalp Care. My hair is not dry, my hair is not itchy, I don't have any scalp issues, so why would I buy it? But for the purposes of the Cold Factory, I did just buy the leave-in conditioner. That co-wash is very, very big, so it might take me time to get around to actually buying it. So I thought, you know what, let me just do the leave-in conditioner for now. So when it comes to the application, I did apply this all over my hair in sections. The consistency reminds me of the consistency of the coconut range, not as watery, but also very, very light. So when you rub it in, it kind of disappears. So the consistency is similar to the coconut line. I'm going to go with camera in a little bit and get it to show you the leave-in conditioner I'm talking about. So the consistency is similar, but this is a very, very medicinal smell. Not a bad medicinal smell, but it does kind of smell medicinal. So it doesn't smell like coconuts. It doesn't smell like a tropical holiday. And because it's designed for the scalp and dryness, I do understand why the smell is different. So I applied this in sections all over my hair. It coated my hair very well. It went on very, very nicely. It aids detangling. It gives a bit of slip, which is very, very nice. This is the leave-in conditioner from As I Am that I'm talking about. This is the As I Am leave-in conditioner. This is from their coconut line. So if I just have to just briefly compare these two, the consistency is different, the smell is different, the slip is also different. Even though this has a bit of a watery consistency and it also gives slip, not as much as this one. But I think the biggest difference has to be the smell. To wrap this video up, guys, I do have the leave-in in my hair. My hair is nice and soft. It does a good job as a leave-in conditioner. I don't have any scalp issues, so from that perspective, I can't tell you if it works. I don't have a skitchy scalp. My hair isn't dry, but it did leave my hair nice and soft. The smell is something separate. I will finish this because I like to finish all the products that I have. Will I buy it again? No, unless I might have an issue with my scalp or my hair, then I would actually go out and buy this. So for those of you who are very interested in it, don't go out and buy this if you don't need it. But it gives a very good slip, nice detangling, and nice consistency as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Drop your comments down below if you've tried it or if you found this video helpful. As always, I'll see you guys again. Bye.